Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn quadratic equations exercise number 3. First question. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist. So here is a question. 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, this is a question we have. I will solve this question by using completing squares method. See the video up to the end. Very important concept, completing the squares method for 4 marks. So it is a 4 marks question. So first of all, you see that it is in the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. Step 1. What you do in step 1? Send that constant term to right side. Okay, right side we have to send. So that is, what is the constant term here? Minus 4. If you send that right side, it becomes plus 4. Step 2. Divide with coefficient of x square, that is nothing but a. Divide with a on both sides. So what is the coefficient of x square here? 2. Divide with 2 on both sides. So 2x square by 2 plus x by 2, that is equal to 4 by 2. This is nothing but step 2. 2 gets cancelled. Okay. 2 one time, 2 times. Finally I left with x square plus x by 2, here 2. So now you see here x square plus x is there. So I can use a plus b whole square. Here x before, see the symbol, plus symbol, that's why I am using a plus b whole square formula. So otherwise if it is minus is there, we have to use a minus b whole square, x square plus x before, see the symbol. Plus symbol means a plus b whole square, minus symbol means a minus b whole square. We know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula. So now you convert left hand side, step 3. Convert LHS as a square plus 2ab plus b square. You convert like that. Left hand side part as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now we will see how to convert step by step. So here x square, first is a square, so I am writing x as a x square. Second is 2ab. So here 2 is not there, so multiply and divide with 2. A is nothing but x. Okay. Here b we don't know. So here 1 by 2. X by 2 I am writing as x into 1 by 2 is equal to 2 on right side. In the next step, x square plus 2 a is nothing but x. So denominator 2 is there. This 2 and this 2 both gets multiplied. The result is 2 to the 4. So this is the value of b. 2ab. Now b square we have to add to convert into a square plus 2ab plus b square. So adding b square on both sides, x square plus 2ab. So I am adding b square, that is 1 by 4 whole square, 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square. Adding b square on both sides. So now what happens, just you see here, left side it is looking like a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it becomes a plus b whole square. Okay, right side you see 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square is nothing but 1 by 16. Okay, now we will do the simplification. So here we got x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 2 plus 1 by 16. So same step here, x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to, now you see here 16 is the LCM, or directly we can do cross multiplication. 2 into 16 is nothing but 32 plus 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. 1 into 16 in the denominator is nothing but 16. So finally we are getting 33 by 16. Okay, now x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 33 by 16. So left side we have square is there. If you send this square to right side, it becomes root, square root. So plus or minus square root of 33 by 16. So square root of 33 by 16. Why we are keeping plus or minus means minus 3 square also 9 plus 3 square is also 9. Just example. So square root of 9 has 3 values. Okay. One is plus 3, one is minus 3. That's why plus or minus we are keeping. So now we see over here x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus or minus under root 33 by 16. That is nothing but x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus or minus under root 33 by 16 is nothing but 4 square. Square and root gets cancelled for 4 here. Finally we will get x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus or minus root 33 by 4. So one time you take x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus root 33 by 4. Another time you take x plus 1 by 4 is equal to minus root 33 by 4. Now you send this 1 by 4 to right side. So now here x is equal to minus 1 by 4 plus root 33 by 4. X is equal to minus 1 by 4 minus root 33 by 4. Both having the same denominator. So directly we can add numerators. Minus 1 plus root 33. X is equal to minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. Therefore the two roots are minus 1 plus root 33 by 4, minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.